You don't know who you're looking at, now just you look at me. I'm a bit of a knob, I am, belong to royalty. I'll tell you how it got about, I married Widow Birch. I was King of England when we trotted out to church. Outside the people started shouting in hooray. Said I go down upon your knees, it's coronation day. I'm Henry the Eighth, I am Henry the Eighth, I am.
Guys, please subscribe to the channel. I'll love you forever, I promise. Give the video a thumbs up. I'll tell you what I'm interested in. This is a Monday video, right? And I'm doing 2 videos a week now. I'm still going to be getting out in the field pretty much for most of the content, out shooting POV stuff. But is there anything else that you guys would want to see? Perhaps some editing, maybe some more tips and tricks, maybe even how I put these videos together. Pretty much anything that you can suggest. If I can be of service on this channel in any way, then I'm willing. So, yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in again. From the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you on the next video. Rock and roll. Cheers, guys. Bye.